First, let's start by selecting the App Store and then searching ViCare, ViCare. Then you'll select to download the application. Once it's finished downloading, you'll be able to select the Open button. Since this is our first time in there, we'll start with the Sign Up feature. Once you click on the Sign Up feature, it'll give you a brief description of the few basic steps needed. First, we'll start with an email address. Once you've finished filling out your email address, it'll ask you on the next page to determine the home address where the boiler is located, along with your personal information. By selecting the next feature, you can then put in a password. Must consist of 8 characters, 1 upper and lowercase letter, as well as 1 special character, such as an exclamation point. Then by accepting the terms and agreements, you'll be able to complete the registration process with one final step by going to your email address. Don't forget to check your spam, and you'll be able to click on that small complete registration button in the center body of the email. Once your email address has been confirmed, we can then go back to the application and we'll be able to perform the login for the first time. To log in, simply use the same email address you sent everything to previously, as well as that password associated with it. Thank you, and keep an eye out for our next video, how to connect your boiler to your new ViCare application.